Practical Gamer here, and we're gonna play Floppy Bird, and I'm probably gonna suck at this game. Wow. Wow. What the heck? I suck at this game. Trust me, this game is hard. This game is real hard. Yes. Yes. I never did that good on any Flappy Bird game. It's that 1-1 though. Yay. No! Wow. That sucks. Wow. Now I can't get past 3. Jeez. I suck at this. Oh, this is hard. Seven, 8, 10. Wow. Trust me, download this game. It's hard. All of that Mario sound though. Seriously? You gonna do me like this? Dog! No. Oh, no. Oh. I suck. Seriously? You're gonna do me like this? You're gonna do me like this? Yeah, that's what it's like. Yeah, seriously. What the heck was that? Now I be will get it. Watch me do it. Okay. Silent time. Silent time. Silent time. Now watch me do it. Boy. Now watch me will kill it. Watch me do it. Or fail. Silent time. I'm not ready. No, I am. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video here. Bye.